adding birds to my layout. As you can see on the bridge, and then above the bridge there is another pigeon sitting, and if we move to the lower level, there's a pigeon on the windmill. And if we move across to Waterkloof, you'll find that a pigeon has made its home right on the top of the tree next to one of the railway houses, and even on the high mast lighting in the diesel servicing area, as well as on the diesel tank. And if we move to Vlakteplaas above it, we can see a pigeon has made its home on the roof of the grain silos. Some other 3D printed detail: the pallets in between the buildings have been 3D printed, and there are some more pallets, although they're in the shade. And of course there is no surprise in what vehicles are being manufactured by the auto plant. All these little beetles is also the result of 3D printing.